this down like that.
Probably like that, yeah.
That's it. Got some spalting going on in there.
Yeah. Some spots that got a little bit of rot, like right there. There's a little spot here, but it's pretty solid for the most part. We're setting them to 2 1/4 inches. No.
Yeah, I know who could.
You gotta change the blade on it before it gets too dull.
Heading over for the sawdust to go. Most of that. So it's all getting plugged up in here. How much power actually is, and now I'm starting to think that that 660 isn't even.
That's what we got. We got 5 out of it. Cut it 2 1/4.
Alright, this is where we're putting it temporarily. Just for a couple days, so it should be fine.
If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe because it really does help a lot. And thanks for watching.